Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Random67, and today I'm going to show you the effect of the suspension on the height of the bike, and I'm going to show you also me sitting on the bike on a slight incline, not much. So I'm 5'6", and I'm going to show you how I deal with this bike. Maybe that would help you. And also I would try to show you by increasing the height of the suspension and showing you what effect it has on the height. So right now it's set to the lowest setting. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's at the lowest setting possible. And I'll show you all the me on the bike and me on an incline on the bike with this setting, and then just to show you that how the height increases, I'll increase the height as well. So let's go ahead and just check this. If you do like the content that I'm making and everything that's about the 390, if it is helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as well. Let's go ahead. It's a 10-degree incline with an 18% gradient.
You didn't come. I don't think you can.
Huh?
Yeah. Okay, so the bike is at the lowest suspension setting, so that should be at this lowest point. And what I'll do now is I'll straighten the bike and I'll call an assistant, and we'll see the height of the bike at its lowest suspension setting. Let's do this. Okay, I believe that is as straight as I can do it with single-handedly. Yeah. Okay, this is the starting of both inches and centimeters as well. I'm trying to hold it as steady as possible. Can you tighten it? Okay, so even at the lowest setting, without a person sitting on it, it is actually 850 mm, or about 33 inches and 33.5 inches roughly, plus minus. So yeah, that's the suspension setting at the lowest. That's the height of the seat at the lowest suspension setting. Now let me raise the suspension, and then we'll see if it has an effect on the seat height. Okay, I'm going to increase the height of the suspension. Please bear with me. I'm going to increase it from this side.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, after a lot of effort, the suspension is now at the highest setting possible. Not sure if you can see it. Hang on. I believe there's some more light here. There you go. The suspension preload has been set to the highest level. And now quickly measure the height, if any difference was made at all, by adjusting this, and also sit on this and see if there's any difference. But I'll give you a screenshot of the manual, and I'll show you what setting is meant for what, whether it's meant for comfort or whether it's meant for sporty riding. So accordingly you should be adjusting it, and not because you want to adjust the height of the bike, and it should not ideally affect the height. Okay, after a lot of hard work and dropping the tool and maybe bleeding a little bit, we've managed to set the suspension to the highest setting. So now what I'll do is straighten the bike and measure if there was any change in the height of the seat, because that's what concerns most of you, and we'll check that right now. So let me straighten the bike. I believe that's as straight as I can manage to make it. And now, pull it slowly, pull it. No. Okay. I believe that's 86 and a half centimeters, or about roughly 34 inches. So that means the height of the bike has increased by about 1.5 centimeters. Yeah, so that's it. That should give you an idea as to how the suspension setting or the suspension preload setting of the rear has an effect on the bike and how you could probably use it to your advantage. Now I'll quickly sit and show you how this setting has affected my riding posture or my foot reach of the bike. Okay, I can tiptoe with both my foot, even at this setting, that is roughly 870 mm, or I can flat foot on one side, like putting the other foot on the controls, that is the brake. So my left foot is what I believe is my strong foot, so I put most of the pressure on this foot. Okay, that's it guys. That's pretty much how the suspension preload setting of the rear has an effect on the ride height and how it will probably affect your riding, or maybe not at all, because I mean you shouldn't be affected. Come on, it's a tall bike, it's not that tall. There are taller bikes in the segment, I mean not in this segment, but that is available, but this is doable, man. It's definitely doable. So yeah, that's it guys. Please subscribe to the channel and bye bye.